नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अंजलि राजपूत and today we will learn about two different pronunciation of the definite article the. Friend, you have heard that many people say the word the in two different way. Some people say it the and some people say it the. But we do not understand where we should say it the or where we should pronunciate it the. Today it will be clear to you. Wherever the word comes before a vowel sound, we will use the, as you have seen here. It is in a vowel sound orange, and before orange I have written the. I have written it like this so that you can understand that it will be pronunciate long. Its sound will be long. The. But if it comes before consonant sound, then its sound will be short. The, do. So I have written it thus the for your understanding, that you can saw the difference between their pronunciation, the and the. And you have to look that if it comes before vowel sound and the word is starting with a consonant sound, even then we will use word with the, not the. We will say it the. And if it is coming before consonant sound, we will pronunciate it the. This use is clear to you, this pronunciation is clear to you, but it is also pronunciate the somewhere else. If you want to emphasize something, some word, there it is also called the. For example, if your friend met with the President of America and he say, I met the President of America, what will be your reaction? You will say, what? You met the President of America? Why you call the? Because you want to emphasize this word, the President of America. So if you want to emphasize some word, you will use the, not the. And if you want to emphasize some word, then you will not look whether the word is starting with a vowel sound or a consonant sound, because here you can see the president is starting with P, but I have used the, because for emphasize we will use only the, not the. So now I hope you can understand the two different pronunciation of the very well. I would be very happy if you write some sentences or some examples in the comment box and comment on my video, give me some suggestions, or also write about my shortcomings. Thank you, friends. Now goodbye, we will meet in a new video after some time. Okay, goodbye.